Question 36. An aliphatic amine X contains carbon 61.01%, hydrogen 15.25%, and nitrogen 23.74%. X on treatment with HNO2 gave an alcohol Y having carbon 60% and hydrogen 13.33%. Y on careful oxidation gave Z of vapor density 29. Z gave iodoform test. Assign structural formula to X, Y and Z. Now it is given in the question that X is an aliphatic amine. Moles of carbon in X is 5.084 moles, which is obtained by dividing the percentage of carbon with atomic weight of carbon. Moles of hydrogen is 15.25 moles, which is obtained by dividing the percentage of hydrogen by atomic weight of hydrogen. Moles of nitrogen is 1.696 moles, which is obtained by dividing the percentage of nitrogen with atomic weight of nitrogen. Now dividing all these three by 1.696, we get a simple whole number ratio of the moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which is 3:9:1. This shows that X is a 3-carbon compound, and since it is amine, it has NH2 group. Now moles of carbon in Y is 5, moles of hydrogen in Y is 13.33 and moles of oxygen in Y is 1.66. For moles of oxygen, we will subtract percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen from 100 and we get percentage of oxygen, that is 26.67%, and dividing the percentage of oxygen by its atomic weight gives the moles of oxygen. Now dividing moles of carbon, moles of hydrogen and moles of oxygen by 1.66, we get a simple ratio between moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which is equal to 3:8:1. Now this compound Y is also a 3-carbon compound and Y is an alcohol. Y on oxidation gives Z, which gives iodoform test and whose vapor density is 29. तो vapor density 29 है तो molecular weight हो जाएगा 2 into vapor density, that is 2 into 29, which is equal to 58. अब Z iodoform test देता है and it is formed by the oxidation of alcohol, which means Z is a methyl ketone, and since it is a 3-carbon compound, therefore the structure of Z will be CH3COCH3. So Z is acetone and Z is formed by oxidation of Y, or on reduction of Z we get Y. So the structure of Y will be CH3CHOH CH3. अब Y में जो OH group है, Y is a secondary alcohol, OH group is attached to secondary carbon. Therefore X, the amine, which on treatment with HNO2 gives this secondary alcohol, must be having a NH2 group on the secondary carbon, and therefore structure of X will be CH3CHNH2CH3. So X is CH3CHNH2CH3, Y is CH3CHOHCH3 and Z is CH3COCH3.